Welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. I hope you guys have been enjoying the recipes I have posted so far. So now I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian lettuce wraps. This is a two-part series. I will show you one recipe today and another one next week. So today we are going to make a firecracker southwestern lettuce wraps. So let's see the ingredients. So for these lettuce wraps, of course we have a little bit of lettuce, but we don't need the lettuce just right now. First we'll make this filling. For the filling we'll need black beans. I have used steamed black beans, and one big sweet potato. I've chopped it and cooked it already. I'm going to use some red bell pepper, half of it, I've chopped it, some cilantro, some jalapenos, green chilies, or you can use crushed red pepper, either of them are okay, and some lemon, salt, and I can use some garlic powder, and I will top it all with the southwestern chipotle dressing that we made last week. Okay, so I will show you how we are going to put this together now. So in this bowl, first I'm going to take the sweet potato and add the bell pepper to it, and I'm going to give it a rough mash, okay, very lightly. I'm not going to completely, yeah, that should be good enough. To this I'm going to add some black beans. Now there is no definite, you can just use half the can of black beans and that should be alright at this point. And then we are going to add some green chilies or chili flakes. I'm going to add some garlic powder for garnishing. You can add fresh garlic also, that's fine. And some salt. I'm going to squeeze in a lime for a little zest. And I love cilantro, so I have some almost half a cup of chopped cilantro. And I'm going to just mix it all together so that it'll combine well, the flavors will combine well. Now to this, if you want to add any other seasonings or herbs, feel free. So you see how nice this looks. Now I'm just going to give this a taste to make sure that the salt is enough, and then I will show you how to assemble it. Okay, so guys, our filling is ready. Adjust it for salt. It tastes nice and spicy the way I like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just separate with my hands roughly. This is organic lettuce, so I washed it and I'm just going to arrange this on this party platter. Now remember, this is a party dish, or you can also make it at for dinner, you know, at home. But this is a party pleaser, I tell you what. People have loved this every time I made it. So I'm going to add the filling to these. Or what you can also do is just put the lettuce wraps and let people make their own. That is also very doable. So you see how beautiful this looks, the black beans, and you know guys, the sweet potato with the black beans and bell pepper, cilantro, these flavors gel very well. Now what I'm going to do is, to these lettuce wraps I'm going to add this chipotle dressing, spicy chipotle dressing, and this is going to add a little kick to it. Just look at this. Doesn't it look so beautiful? It looks very appetizing. Now let's give this a taste, guys. So here's my southwestern spicy lettuce wrap. I'm going to taste it. It is amazing, guys. So yummy. I get the sweetness from the sweet potato and the spicy chipotle dressing. It's just the perfect topping there. So so nice. So guys, make this, you know, you saw how I put it together literally within 2 minutes. Okay, so if you have this dressing ready at home like I showed you last time, even the dressing itself takes 5 minutes. So this is a very easy recipe to put together. You can actually even make this for dinner in the evenings, and your family will be impressed, you know, because this is a different recipe and this is all super healthy ingredients, right? So I will show you the second part of the lettuce wraps next week. So up until then, please subscribe to Make Food Thy Medicine. Go to our website, check YouTube, make sure you like our videos so that they will be delivered to your inbox. Check them on Facebook and Instagram. Up until then, bye bye.